hope you're all doing well. Today is the results of the 100 subscriber giveaway and the project suggestion. So on my computer over there, I've written down all of the project suggestions and I will choose my one favourite, although I actually decided there were two I really couldn't choose between. So there'll be two project suggestions that will get made across the next month or two, depending on how much time I have, because one of them I think will take a long time to do. And then in terms of the 100 subscriber giveaway, that's been done on a random generator, and I will reveal the results of that in a minute. So the first winner of the project suggestion is Plain Handmade, who suggested I make a cookser. Not sure how you pronounce that, but I think that'd be a really cool project, and I definitely want to give that a go. If I can't do that, I'll do the other project suggestion that they suggested, which was a sandpaper storage box. Although I would much rather give the cookser a go, and hopefully I'll be able to do it. The second winner is Music, who suggested making a game board. So I think that'd be really fun, and I've got a lot of ideas for that. So there was no sort of specification of what sort of board game or what would, so I've got a lot of creative freedom on that, but I thought that'd be something that would definitely challenge me. They did specify it needs to have pieces in it as well, so they said a board game set with pieces. So hopefully I can have a think about that and come up with something creative. I'm going to try and involve as many different tools as possible to make it a really sort of fun project, so to speak. So I'll be using a lathe as well as saws and a mixture of other tools. And the one that lots of people have been waiting for, the winner of the 100 subscriber giveaway keyring, is Scouse Woods. So I really hope you enjoy your keyring. I'm also going to be throwing in a bonus sticker, the designer makes sticker that has recently been added to my collection. I will show you that. So it will be this designer makes sticker here. I'll be sending one of those out to you, and also the keyring. I'll get in contact with you via Instagram so we can arrange the best way to send that to you. Thank you all for entering, and I hope you've enjoyed the recent videos. I've got loads more to come across the next 2 weeks. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, it does help me out.